Hi. Are you looking for a low impact workout that will leave you feeling energized and your mood boosted in under 10 minutes in the comfort of your own space? I'm Emily. This is my dog Charlie. We're going to do a 10-minute home walking workout, and all you need to do is grab something for hydration, slip on your sneakers, and let's get right to it. So we're going to start today in our home walk. We have 4 basic moves. The first one, we're just going to walk in place. Let me set my timer so I can keep an eye on where we are with things. If you have a smartwatch, it's just under indoor walk. If you don't want to keep track, I will keep track for us. Here for about 10 minutes. I'm so excited to have you here today. So the format for this, we'll do a warm up. I'll show you the 4 basic moves, and then we'll do a move for 30 seconds and then rest or cool down in our basic walk for another 20 seconds. And we'll just keep that going for the 10-minute workout. So great to have you. I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a women's health advocate, and I'm very passionate about helping women 50 and older reclaim their energy, their lives, and boost their metabolism. And one of the best ways to do it is through healthy movements such as this. So thanks so much for being here, pressing play, and making this positive change in your life today. So first move, walk in place. Let's show you the next move. It's a side step. Use the space you have. We're just going to step out and back in. Wake up the backside muscles, get the hips moving a little bit. You can keep this nice and light here. We're just walking, still warming the body up. Check in with your breath. Breathe. For 3, 2, 1, return back to your walk. We'll show you the next move. It's a knee lift. Just get the knees up and up, little core tightening, tummy tuck. Maybe you want to get the arms up. Go ahead and just reach both arms up to the sky today. Nice. For 3, 2, 1, return to your walk. Here we are. Walk in place. Next move. It's a kick. Give me a kick out. Now from here, engage your core. Feel your spine long, so you notice I'm not leaning back. Head over heart, heart over pelvis. For 3, 2, 1, walk it out. And breathe. Check in with that breathing. Check in with your breath pattern. You know, if you ever get hung up or can't say a full 5 to 6 word sentence, it might mean you need to back out a little bit. Great job. We're here for one solid 20 seconds in the walk, and then we'll build up this intensity a little bit. Nice job. Breathe. So walking, home walking is just one of these great ways to balance our hormones, energy, our stress levels, all the good things. And combined with healthy nutrition, we can make a huge impact on the way how we feel in this day and age. All right, 30 seconds, here we go. Get the knees up and up. Nice. Let's get that core a little bit more activated. Tap hand to opposite knee. Tummy, belly button draws in towards the spine. Feel that activation through the 360 core. Front and back body. We always want to try to get that spine nice and strong. So our back body and our core, strong and healthy muscles in these areas. 3, 2, 1, return to your walk. Nice, 20 seconds right here. Maybe you pump the arms, bring the feet up a little higher. Get that heart rate coming up. Great job. All right, 30 seconds, here we go. Find a side step, step and step. Maybe have a little bit more pep in your step today. Nice. Maybe make these shapes a little bit bigger. And always make this workout work for you. So if your shapes are a little smaller than mine, it's all good. Just move your body in a healthy way and a joyful way every single day. That's really our goal here. Breathe. Check in with that breath. Not much longer. Nice. Walk it out. 20 seconds. Pump the arms. Let's get the arms out. Find some small or medium-sized circles here. And then just reverse those. Nice. Just check in. How's your emotional body, your mental body here? Shake it out. Take your feet wide. Yeah, just check in. How are you feeling? Do you notice maybe your stress, your tension has kind of lifted a little bit here? Feet are nice and wide. Give me a kick back. Here we go. Kick and kick. So it's an alternating kick. Really revving up that metabolism today. So good for you. Nice. And walk it out. Great job. Give me some arm swings. Just a little hug, opposite arm over top every once in a while. Great job. Next move, take a wider stance. Give me a knee lift. So watch it. Join me when you're ready. Maybe a little tap to that opposite knee. Keeping your spine long. Breathe well. Be well. Really feeling this today. I do feel my energy levels are increasing already. We get those happy hormones moving around. Call that endorphins. Just a little boost here. Walk it out. Sometimes I have trouble not smiling during these workouts. I hope you feel the same way. And this is a holistic approach to your wellness, right? When we combine nutrition, our activity, balancing our hydration and sleep, stress levels, we can really help ourselves feel better, especially in the second season of life. We're going to take a side step. Here we are. Sink those hips down. Yeah. Check in with your joints. I don't want you to work through any sort of pain. So if this is bothering your knees, back out of it a little bit. Make the shape smaller or skip this move entirely. All right, nice. Walk it out. Where are we on time? We got about 3 more minutes to go. Just knock this workout today. If you are interested in working with me further, I have a nutrition workshop coming up online. It's going to be free, and it's going to be helping women in their 50s and beyond find that balance between nutrition and our hormones and our physical health, our mental awareness. So yeah, definitely check out the links below to sign up. And if you're watching this after the workshop, I will have it available for you to access. Whew, blow out that air. Nice job. So good. Get the feet wide. Nice. Sink down a little bit more. We're going to do a double kick back. Watch it. Join me when you're ready. Kick it back and kick it back. Yes. So go for 2 of them. Yeah, there we go. Standing on one leg, finding that balance. I do practice quite a bit of yoga. We learned this idea of finding balance between effort and ease. So Sira Sukha is what we call it. So that's all about what we should be about these days. Woo! For 3, 2, 1, walk it out. Let's start to cool down a little bit. Really great job. High fives to you. So proud of you for making this a priority, making yourself a priority. This idea of preventative care, so taking care of our bodies before we get sick, right, is a practice of self-love, self-care. So preventative care is self-care, and how important it is to take good care of ourselves so that we can take care of those that we love, right? And, make that bigger impact in this world. Right, so thank you for creating some positive change in your life and also those around you. Check in with that breath. Maybe you start to slow it down. Give me a little toe tap. So I call these a modified jumping jack. Maybe get those arms up. Feel some length, a little reach here. Yeah, but all the while we're cooling down. So slow your movements down. Bring your heart rate back to normal. Whew. Check in. How are you feeling? I hope you enjoyed this workout. I'm so proud of us. But don't quit now. We are about 30 more seconds. Go ahead and slow that down. Return to that walk. Just give me a little toe tap. Tap forward, tap forward. All about balance, strengthening our bodies, our minds, and taking good care of ourselves and inspiring others around us to do the same. 3, 2, 1. Check in. Take a big angel breath with the arms. Nice. Let it go. 2 more. And let it go. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. So good. Nice. Here we are. We hit our 10-minute mark. Go ahead and slow it down. Let's not skip the cool down. Find a wide stance here, and then hands can come to the hips. Just find some circles with the hips. Roll things about a little bit in one direction. Nice. And then just reverse those. See what that feels like. Have some fun. We always want to incorporate fun with our movement, right? If you are doing a workout just because you feel like you have to, I feel like you're kind of missing the whole point. I think you should have fun when you work out. Go ahead and come to stillness, shake it out. Take one leg forward. If you're going to watch me, I'm going to take my right foot forward, my left leg back, find a bend in the front knee, bend in the back knee. Maybe start to get the arms overhead. Now, if that's a challenge, you could have a chair or a wall in front of you. Draw that belly button in towards the spine. Keep the spine nice and long. Nice. You can set the hands down, step forward, and try it on the other side. So we're going to step one leg back, bend through those knees, reach the arms high. Find softness where you can, that beautiful balance between effort and ease. Nice. Step forward. One final angel breath to seal the deal. We'll inhale, sweep the arms high. And exhale, let it go. Give the arms a shake. Great job today. And thank you so much for being here and being a part of this community that we're building here online, a group of health conscious women that are supporting one another through movement, mindfulness, and nutrition. If you want to be a part of this community, check out the link below. Definitely sign up for my free nutrition workshop for women over 50 coming up very soon. And subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and share with your friends so that we can grow this community more. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Take good care. Bye-bye.